E. A. A. E. A. What is it?
E?
What is this?
What is it?
It's a R.
No.
Yes, it is.
F?
No, it's a R. It's a F.
It's a F.
No, it's not. Is that the F?
Yes, it's
Is that not dog? No. Is it fish? Is it fish? No. That's cat. That's the elephant. That's the butterfly. That's apple.
Wow.
Apple don't eat apples.
You don't eat apple?
Animals do eat apples.
Yes.
No.
No, they don't?
Animals don't eat anybody.
They don't eat anybody?
The sheep. The end.
The end?
I. G. No, I tree. The G is hot. It's hot.
Kite. Kite.
Well, everything is this.
It's a kite. K.
Okay. Well, once upon a time, there was a K. There's a kite.
Kite.
What is this?
G.
These are animals.
Goat.
Go. What's that thing over there? What's this over there? J.
Yes, it's a J.
What is that?
Jelly bean.
Okay. What is that? A.
Orange.
Orange. O.
O.
O. O. Or orange.
N.
No. Well, now what is it? Now what is this?
Nest.
Yes. Once upon a time, there was a nest. Once upon a time, that's my M.
Yes, that's a M.
Once upon a time, there's an R.
Okay.
There's a P.
There's a P.
Once upon a time, there's a Q. Once upon a time, there was a K.
R.
No, it's not an R.
That's a Q. Q.
No, this is a Q.
That's a P.
No, that's a Q. That's a.
That's an R. What is this?
A rabbit.
Okay, that's a R.
Daddy likes the rabbit.
Daddy likes rabbit.
You can read it.
You read it.
I'm not read it.
Can you read it for mommy?
Oh. What about the time? What about the time? It will come. Hey, what I'll do?
Which one?
What will do is this? P.
That's a P. What is it? That's a U.
I you. Once upon a time, there's a turtle.
Turtle.
There is a T.
T.
There's a S. There's a B. There is a W. There's a X. There's a A.
What is it?
Y. Now what is this? A string.
Yes. Yarn.
Y or zebra.
Yeah, zebra.
Your turn to count. Your turn to count. Your turn to count.
A.
Your turn to count A, B, C.
Yeah, A. B.
Z. You sing it.
D.
No.
E. A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S.
No, this, like this. Over
What is
here.
it?
I. Now do J. R.
K.
K. Oh! A! I say A.
M.
And
This.
no, that's an A.
What's
And
the N?
O. And P. Q. And R. S. No, let's do this. T. U. U. I say U.
This is U.
Yeah.
B. B.
No, that is B. Is it B small?
Yes. This.
It's W. X. Y. Z.
Yay. Awesome. Is it the end?
No, the book is over.